This is how data analysts analyze and categorize data very fast in SQL. So in today's video, I learned how to use case statement in SQL. And the function of case statement is to return different results based on the condition that you gave to it. Now, case sensitive is used to create condition in your query. Just like if then else statement in Excel, it's what this function does for SQL. So it helps you to get different results based on statement and categorizes them. So before I go into solving the real life examples, I would like you to like this video, follow, and learn from my journey. So the first example I have here is that for using the previous database I've been using in my tutorials, in my videos, we are going to categorize the listing as high priced or low priced based on the price, based on their prices. Okay, so just like in Excel, we say if this score is greater than 70, it should be A. If it's less than 70, it should be B. Something like that. That's what we're going to do using case sensitive. This case statement. So we're going to categorize the price in the listing table into high price and low price. And the condition is that if the price is above 1,000, it should be high priced. If it's below 1,000, it should be low priced. So let's write this query. Select ID. I want ID and I want name. I want price also. I'm going to put comma because I'm going to refer to another table, another column head again. And that brings in my case when price is greater than 1,000. Okay, when price is greater than 1,000, then it should return high price. Okay, my high is not correct. Let me change this. High price in quotes. So always remember to put your things in quotes. Else, anything below 1,000 should be low priced. Low priced. Still in quotes. Then I'm going to end it as end. Then I will create another column heading that will end it. It will be the column heading of my condition. I will end it. I will put the heading as price underscore category. Okay. Then from which table are we getting this? From A and B listing 2. It's not here. Let me type it. Okay, A and B listing 2. Okay, so let's run this. Execute. Good. Can I see how high price in all of them? Okay, let me categorize it. Let me order by, so that delete order by price category. Okay, it's already here. So let's see, let's run it so that we can see. Good. I can now have high price, and if I scroll down, I'm going to have low prices too. Now, what I bring in another condition where if the price is above 600, it should be an average price. Then I can say when price is greater than 600, then return what? Average price hyphen price. Okay, so let's just use this and see if it's going to work, because I can continue to, in if statement we have nested if, keep doing the nested if and all of that. So this is, I can still categorize another price level. So let me see that it works. So let me see average price because it's above. Let me see low price and all of that. So that is that for that first equation. So let's solve the next one. Let's solve the next one, which is categorize comments as positive, neutral, or negative based on keywords. So what I'm going to do now is we're going to categorize the comments of different persons using some certain keywords into positive, negative, or neutral comment. So this is going to be a long case query. So I'm going to first of all start with, I will select listing underscore ID, and I'm also going to pick my comments. So now my case statement comes in. I will say comments like, remember our white card. We are not using, remember here we used equal to, but here we are using like our white card to fish out some keywords that will help us to categorize this into different categories: positive, neutral, and negative. So if any comment contains word like great, great, I'll still put the percentage. If your word contain great, it should be categorized as positive, or if comment like, I'll still put excellent. Excellent. I'll put percentage. Close my word. I'll also put or if comments like amazing, or I can also input if word like recommend. If they use recommend, okay. If comments like recommend, then there are many positive words I can pick, but let me just stop it here. Recommend. Then if you return positive, then bring in another case, another case statement. When we say when comments like good is an average. Good, or comments like satisfied. Comment like satisfied. There's an error. There's an error here. There's an error on here. He has seen the error. Good. Yes. Okay. Then if you return neutral. Else, if you give me a negative sentiment. Okay. And edit as sentiment. Okay. From A, B, and B. Now there's an error. There's an error. Double quotes. So where is this error coming from? Correct, there's an error here. And that is normal now. Where is it here? Okay, where the error? Because I did not put comma in this listing. I'm supposed to put comma because this as is going to bring up a colon. Don't mind me, we are still learning. So this is a complete query. No, we are not. It's not from review. It's not from listing. It's from review. Maybe I'm be review too. Good. I think I'm good to go. So let's run this and see what we have. Execute. Ooh, line 50, 350. Where is the error? Near this syntax word like case when. Oh, there's an error. I did not put when. When comment. Good. I think I'm good to go. Execute. Perfect. So can you see that I have a positive? The comments are long. Let me just open it a bit. So this one is positive, maybe because one of the words are there. This one that is negative, it might be word because I did not categorize it. It's not all the keywords I'm going to do. Let's assume I have awesome. If I come here and add awesome to this, words like comment like awesome, or comment like awesome. If I run it again, this one that was negative will change to positive because I did not pick all the all the keywords that will categorize even the positive ones. So can you see that it has changed to positive? This one is negative, neutral. Maybe it has the good or certified in it. Okay, so that is it. So that's how you use your case sensitive a case statement in Excel. So let me read this thing again. So instead of selecting every comment case, when comment like great, if in this comment, remember this wild card, we pick any comment that has great in it, or comment like excellent is going to pick a comment that has excellent in it. It's going to pick a comment that has amazing, recommend, and awesome, and categorize them as positive. Then another case is that when it has a word like good or satisfied, it's going to categorize them as neutral. Then any other word comment that does not have all these things that are listed here should be listed as negative. Then it's going to end then as sentiment. Whenever I use as, this sentiment will be an additional column. I remember when I was writing this, I have to put comma here in this comment section because I referred as here. If I remove this comma here and run this equation and run this query, it's going to pop up an error because it will not give a room for that. Can you see it? It's not give a room for that column to be created. So it can tell you that comma and apostrophe can make your error, can prompt an error in your query. So that was how we're able to do it. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I know you have learned what case statement is used for in SQL. Follow me, like me, and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.